Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this fun purple orange look using the Jaclyn Hill Volume II palette with Morphe. Very pretty palette. I can't wait to do more looks. I figured I'd start out by doing something big and bold. But yeah, it was a really good palette, so stay tuned to check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you hit that bell, it'll let you know when I upload videos. So stay tuned. Alright, so I think I want to do like a purple orange look. So I think I might start out, we might just go straight for it. This really bright purple therapy sesh. Need one of those. Just take this all in the crease. We're going for a bright ass look today. So far, good start. This color is really nice. Still going in with therapy sesh. I'm literally just like winging this look. I'm just gonna mix in some colors. Stop laughing at me. Okay, now I want to jump and use, I want to take just a touch of Lolly Mama, this pink shade, just a very little bit, to kind of blend a little bit more with that first purple. Using the same brush, I'm using a M518. Very lightly. I haven't done a look like this in a minute. So now I'm going to dip back into the first color, Therapy Sesh. Just go lightly, mix it in. Okay. I want to go in with a smaller brush and dip into, this is a Luxie 231, and I want to dip into Not My Journey, this darker purple. I'm just going to kind of put this more into the crease. Okay, 45 minutes later. I'm gonna go back into Therapy Sesh and a touch of the Lolly Mama. Is that someone outside? Do you hear that? And just kind of blend a little higher, that crease color to soften a bit. Okay. So I kind of want to do like I almost want to like cut the crease and do some orange. I really liked her like campaign photo with like purple and orange. I feel like that'd be super cute. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape and just kind of, I've never really actually done like this before, so we'll see what happens. Put a little bit on my lids and grab kind of this flat little like paintbrushy type of brush. Oops. Just pat this in. Okay. Now I'm going to take another kind of flat packing brush and dip into Feeling Myself, this pretty orange color. Just kind of pack that on there. It's very powdery. That's cool. Okay, now we're gonna go back in with the crease brush and back into Not My Journey, that darker purple, and just kind of blend it all together very lightly. Back in with Therapy Sesh, Lolly Mama, and one last time kind of just smoothing the top part of my lid out. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna do mascara and lashes, and then we will kind of finish the under eye. Be right back.
It's creepy.
It's wicked
It
creepy.
is wicked creepy. Oh my god. Okay. So throw on some lashes. Now I want to do the lower lash line, and I'm kind of really into this like matte orange, Feeling Myself. So I think I'm going to kind of start with that and see what it looks like. And I'm using the JH39, like a little smudging brush. So far so good. This palette like really blends nice, so I'm into it. So now I'm going to go in with Therapy Sesh, that darker purple, and do this with the same brush, but keep it more on the outer corner, really tight to the lash line. Ow. Oh my god. Like, stuff the brush in my eye. I'm just keeping it kind of on the outer edge. Cool, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Morphe Y22 brush, a little spritz, and I want to do like an inner highlight with Flawed and Odd, this like shimmery orange color. Looks cool. Okay, I think I'm done. Just get a little, kind of just blend it all together. This is when it's good to blend the edges. Finish up. Okay. It's the final look. Alright, stop, David. Okay, so this is the final look. I kind of like it. It's very, very different from what I would do, the purple and orange. So overall, this palette, very good. I need to do more looks, obviously, but from the colors that I did use, like the purples and this pretty orange, I really like it. And I think you can get a lot out of, you know, just the neutral shades and obviously these dark ones. So I definitely want to do more looks with this. It is very powdery, but that's because these are, from my understanding, pressed pigments. So just be very careful. Go in with a light hand and start out with just a little bit and work your way in. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys.